Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Riya Kanji. I make makeup videos and beauty videos on YouTube. You may also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for awesome makeup ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to create this easy Christmas glam look. So without much talking, let's get started in the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to all to never miss another update. At first, I'm using Lakme Absolute All Perfect Primer and blending it all over my face using this MAC Fix Plus and prep my skin. Next, I'm taking this NYX color correcting palette in the shade Peach. I'm applying it where I have imperfect skin. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stiff Foundation in the shade 312 and Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade Baklava. Then I'm just mixing a couple of drops of Clarins facial oil so that my foundation blends a lot easier. To highlight my face, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying it to the highest point on my face, and with this I'm concealing my eyelids too. Here I'm contouring my face using NY Bay Contour Stick underneath my cheekbones, jawlines and sides of the nose and blending all with the same kabuki brush. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and applying it all over my face with a big fluffy brush to set all the foundation and concealer. Then I'm using this Sugar Mini Bronzer to bronze my face. Next I'm taking Benefit Ka Brow to fill in my sparse area and shaping them. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown to set the hair all day long in place. Today I'm not using any shadow palette, I'm just using this sugar bronzer to applying it to my crease with a small brush. Then with the help of this Revolution Soapix highlighter palette, I'm applying this shade on my eyelids. And also applying it to the top of my cheekbones, cupid's bow and bridge of my nose to highlight my face. Next I'm taking Sugar Double Matte Eyeliner and lining a thin line. Here I'm taking a black shadow and applying it to my bottom lash line. For lipstick, I'm mixing these two Maybelline Superstay in the shade 65 and 230. After that, I'm using Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara and applying a thick coat to my top and bottom lashes. And finally, I'm applying a pair of falsies. That's it for today's makeup guys. Here's the final look as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like and share this video with your friends and family. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to all. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Links in the description box below. See you in a brand new video soon. Wish you Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Enjoy the Christmas. Bye guys.